The search bar next to the Start button in Windows 10 used to be integrated with Cortana. This meant that hiding Microsoft's voice assistant caused it to disappear, and unhiding Cortana would bring it back. Now that the two are separated, restoring a missing search bar is even easier in Windows 10. Simply right-click a blank area of the taskbar and choose Search then Show Search Box. If you are facing this issue in Windows 11, check out how to fix the Windows search bar not showing or working. I'll put the link in the description. If your taskbar has vanished, you should first ensure that it isn't just hiding. Move your mouse pointer to the bottom of the screen to see if it pops up. If it does, right-click the taskbar and choose Taskbar Settings. Switch off the option Automatically Hide the Taskbar. The taskbar sometimes disappears if there's a problem with File Explorer. Restarting Explorer through Task Manager can fix this without you needing to reboot your PC. This trick may also work if File Explorer itself disappears. As you'll be unable to access Task Manager by right-clicking the taskbar, open it by pressing Ctrl+, Shift+ Escape. Right-click Windows Explorer and choose Restart. If your Start menu doesn't appear when you click the Start button in Windows, maybe it is corrupted. You can fix it by re-registering the menu through PowerShell. In the Windows Search utility, type PowerShell and choose Run as Administrator. When PowerShell opens, type the following command and press Enter. Reboot your computer, and the Start menu should be restored. If the recycle bin icon has disappeared from your desktop, you won't be able to drag and drop files to delete them or recover deleted files. Here's how to get it back. These steps work for both Windows 10 and 11 users. Go to Start, Settings, then Personalization. Choose Themes in the left-hand menu. Scroll down and click Desktop Icon Settings. Select the Recycle Bin checkbox and click OK or Apply.
No one's tough when faced with time. We waste our lives lying, we're fine. We step on knives to pass that time. We waste our...
Clicking Power in the Start menu usually lets you restart or shut down your PC or put it in sleep mode. If you see a blank box instead of those options or a message saying, "There are currently no power options available." If you're using Windows Home, there's a registry tweak that can bring back the power options. This also works in other editions of Windows. Launch the registry editor and navigate to the following location. Double-click the entry No Close in the right-hand pane, if there is one, and change its value from 1 to 0. Then reboot your PC. The inbuilt disk cleanup tool in Windows lets you quickly delete junk files and free up space. Sometimes, however, its button goes missing from a drive's properties. To restore the disk cleanup button, open the registry editor and navigate to the following key. Right-click My Computer, choose New Then Key, and call the new key cleanup path. Right-click Default in the right-hand pane and choose Modify. Type the following in the Value Data field, then click OK. Once done, restart your computer. Then try to open this PC in File Explorer, right-click a drive, and choose Properties. The Disk Cleanup button should now be available on the General tab.